Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speaker on Xiaomi 13 Lite. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. First one is right here, and that's a phone call speaker. Next one is at the bottom, and that's a main speaker on this device. Now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, and that would mean this device doesn't have stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.